Welcome to today's review on the NINGMEI Gaming PC Desktop. This sleek and powerful system impresses with its AMD Ryzen 750-700X 8-core processor, running at a base of 3.4 GHz and boosting up to 4.6 GHz. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this gaming desktop at the best price in the market. One of the first things you'll notice is the gorgeous white tower case that not only looks modern and professional, but is built to optimize airflow and thermal management, enhanced by the premium liquid cooling system that keeps your components cool even during intense gaming marathons or extended streaming sessions. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 8GB graphics card is a true highlight, providing stunning visuals, real-time ray tracing, and smooth frame rates for all the latest titles, while also being perfect for video editing, 3D modeling, and creative projects that require high GPU performance. Coupled with 32GB DDR4 RAM, this desktop ensures lightning-fast responsiveness whether you're switching between heavy applications, running virtual machines, or streaming gameplay. Storage will never be a limitation thanks to the 1TB NVMe SSD, delivering near-instant boot times, rapid game and application loading, and ample space for all your files, media, and projects. The pre-built nature of this tower PC makes it incredibly convenient. No assembly required, just plug in and start gaming or working immediately. And with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, you get a modern, secure, and intuitive operating system experience that supports all the latest apps and software updates seamlessly. The system's 650W PSU ensures reliable power delivery and stability, and the ATX 3.0 upgradable design allows you to easily enhance performance over time by adding more memory, installing higher-end graphics cards, or expanding storage as your needs grow, making it a truly future-proof investment. During testing, the NINGMEI Gaming PC maintained low temperatures and minimal noise even under heavy loads, demonstrating excellent thermal design and efficient cooling that allows for long gaming sessions without discomfort. While the desktop is impressive in almost every way, potential buyers should note that the white case might show dust more visibly, and the RTX 5060, while powerful, is not at the very top of NVIDIA's lineup, so extremely high-resolution gaming at maximum settings may require tweaking in some titles. That said, the combination of high-speed CPU, ample RAM, fast SSD storage, and capable graphics ensures that this desktop handles 1080p and 1440p gaming with ease, while also being a solid workstation for creators, streamers, and professionals who demand reliable performance. The compact, stylish design makes it suitable for home offices, dorm rooms, or gaming setups without overwhelming your space, and the included 1-year warranty along with lifetime technical support offers peace of mind for new buyers. In practical use, installing games, software, or creative tools is quick and effortless, and everyday tasks like browsing, video conferencing, or media consumption feel instantaneous thanks to the combination of Ryzen 7 processing power and the fast NVMe SSD. For gamers, the RTX 5060 provides support for DirectX 12 Ultimate, DLSS 3, and other cutting-edge features that ensure compatibility with current and future game titles. The liquid cooling system works silently in the background, letting you focus on gaming or work without distractions from noisy fans. Whether you are looking for a first high-performance gaming rig, an upgrade from an older PC, or a reliable workstation that doubles as a gaming desktop, this NINGMEI system strikes a perfect balance of price, performance, and aesthetics. The upgradable architecture means it won't feel outdated anytime soon, giving you flexibility to customize as your requirements evolve, while Windows 11 Home ensures smooth compatibility with the latest software and security updates. In addition, the pre-built setup eliminates common assembly headaches, making it ideal for users who prefer convenience without compromising on high-end components. Overall, the NINGMEI Gaming PC desktop computer is a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a combination of speed, graphics power, storage, and reliability, all wrapped in a visually appealing and thermally efficient tower. The pros include high-performance Ryzen 7 CPU, RTX 5060 graphics, massive 32GB RAM, 1TB NVMe SSD, liquid cooling, quiet operation, upgradable design, and ready-to-use Windows 11 Home. The few cons include slight dust visibility on the white chassis and the fact that the RTX 5060, while excellent, is mid-range in comparison to the latest flagship GPUs. Still, for most gamers, streamers, and content creators, this system exceeds expectations, offering smooth gameplay, fast app loading, multitasking ease, and a quiet, cool experience that makes working or gaming enjoyable. With a clean, professional design, reliable components, and future-proof upgrade options, this desktop is suitable for a wide range of users, whether it's intense AAA gaming, creative workflows, or everyday productivity. So if you're looking for a gaming desktop that combines style, power, and convenience, don't wait. Check the link in the description below to get your NINGMEI Gaming PC today at the best price and experience a high-performance setup that's ready for all your gaming and creative adventures.